What's good, guys? Welcome back to another video. If you first question, if you're asking what the frick happened to my avatar, doesn't matter. Second, we playing story 1, 2, 3, and 4. First of all, I haven't uploaded in like 10 decades or something, but yeah, I don't care. Let's go. That is full. Let's just wait, I guess. Let's go to that one. No, I'm not gonna be alone. Wait, am I in here? Players 1. Wait, no. No! Okay, that won't happen ever again. Let's get in here. I am playing with random people because I won't do anything. Also, was this? Didn't this say 14:14 right now? Or am I dumb? Doesn't matter. So this will be a long video, I guess, but yeah, it doesn't matter. C10. Oh, this small C10. Wait, this is C10. Why can't I sit here? No. C10. So this here is my luggage system. Hello everyone. This is your captain speaking. Welcome aboard flight 6272. We are currently flying at an altitude of 33,000 feet above sea level. The weather looks good, which means we will be arriving in no time to our destination. Feel free to explore the airplane. I don't give a shit. Are you the doctor? So I am C10, so I gotta remember that it's this one here. This one is the... Yeah. Okay. So here's a restroom. Is here... invited from Szymanski. Szymanski inviting you to launch into space. What the hell is Szymanski? I forgot. I gotta sit in. I gotta sit. Sit! Oh my god, damn, that was close. What the? Oh, now please find your seat as we are about to cross an area. I couldn't even. Thank you for your cooperation. I couldn't even read the first one. Damn. If you are questioning what the hell is the background, don't ask. Because I won't tell you. It's Wendemar, guys, doing Wendemar crap. Hello everyone, we are the crew members. We will be delivering delicious sandwiches. Enjoy. This doesn't look edible. Not gonna lie, this doesn't look edible. Yeah, I figured out that one, Sherlock. Yeah, I'm not even gonna ask. I'm not feeling very well. Oh no, crap! There has to be some stuff in it. How the frickle are you allergic to mayo? Nah, I won't do that. I will just sit here and watch. Wait, is mine here? No. Wait, what? Where is mine? Wait, I'm not searching for him, but I'm searching for mine. Where is mine? Oh, she survived. Good afternoon to all passengers. I inform you We've reached a stable altitude. It would be a good time to sit back and take a nap and enjoy the ride. There was way too much and for me there, so no. Damn. Good night, passengers. Remember to stretch your legs. We will have a few hours to go. Okay, let me eat this sandwich now that the poison is not there. No, I'm just kidding. I won't eat it. I'm not dumb. Oh, oh crap. It appears that we've lost energy. Hang on as we try to fix it. I am not the perfect. I am not that good in biology or something, but I'm pretty sure that's not natural. Wait, what does he say? Snakes are gonna come and the monsters on the ring. Also, that guy there is a trophy. She trophy. Not that guy, that girl. She trophy here. So I guess I will stay here. And it won't hit me. Ah, that makes sense. Oh, shit! Fuck. Prickle them snakes, bro. Bro, they about to get the clapping of a lifetime if they don't stop me. Guys, there's an open restroom. Quickly, we will be safer there. Oh yeah, there it is. There it is. Let's go. Oh yes. Let me take a dump. Bruh, I just ate my sandwich and it gave me full HP. So that's good. Also we like survived the snakes. If we all did, if not, then okay, I don't care. Uh, why does she have an ice cream cone and hair thing? Like what? Okay, C10. I'm gonna take a nap. Wait, I just looked at what is happening and we are losing oxygen. Wait, did I take one already? Wait, did I take one? Wait, they just spawned and despawned. Wait, did I take one? It looks like it. I think I took one with this. Okay, that didn't happen. I was at C11 the whole time, not at C10. I was just joking. And yeah. Anyways, I'm waiting for the things to be dropped down. Still don't know how the hell we're gonna take them on, but yeah. Oxygen mask drop from over your seats. Okay, take them quickly. Okay, gimme. Oh, now I have it. Okay. Yeah, that was scary. So I never died. That is actually a lie. Wait, careful. I thought someone died. We'll keep you safe until we stabilize the oxygen levels. So yeah. 6728. What the hell is that gonna? Is that like something like a safe? Also, why is it so dark all of a sudden? Hmm. Okay, everyone, calm down. Wait, what the hell happened to my ass? Oh, I didn't realize I had politic things in. Wait, what? Wait, what? What? I completely went. I completely ran out. What the hell is happening here? Oh, damn! Oh, my man, I thought he will explode. Damn. Yeah, good. I wasn't even here, but I guess good. I didn't even realize what the heck was going on. Also, what was this number again? Yes, that. I think he or she. I can't identify that guy. Them. Like, no, damn well I will be banned or terminated off of freaking. Because I haven't. Oh, damn. Oh, they don't look good. They don't seem to be alive anymore. Oh, damn. We gotta alert that. Wait, I know the code. I know the code. Give me that. Was that the code? Yeah. That's the code. Give me the code. Yeah. Wait, what? Oh, damn. Yeah, damn. That ugly thing again. Bro looks like he has spikes as his hand. Bro, he completely black and then you have red glowing eyes. Like, I'm pretty sure we over sea level, so you won't be able to survive that. You can't swim, you black. Wait, what? Oh, damn. Brought you here, all of you. Oh wow, such a big plot twist. Okay, can I go in and do the left, right, good night? Okay. It is, and now it's time to die. It is time to die. Yeah, he's saying it's time to die. See you in the afterlife. Okay, I'm pretty sure I know how to fly the plane. Let me fly the plane. The captain is unconscious. Oh nah, he dead. He dead too. Yeah, we can fly. Let's press random buttons. Probably has to now to fly it. Oh. Damn, I didn't know that is actually what's happening. Oh, damn. So we gotta. Damn. Oh, that was it? This? Oh, damn. Now let me sit. Now damn, let me sit. Damn, let me sit. Yeah, I want to be home clapping my kids too. So like, let me sit here. I know we won't sit here, but still, let me sit here. I still wanna crash this phone. Now we need to find an emergency phone so we can call for help. Or an emergency phone. Damn. Ain't there a phone all the way back here? Also, this is only airplane story 1. There are 4 different airplane stories and this taking me 14 minutes. Wait, ain't this... this is... Okay. Hello? We need help! We need help! Wait. Ain't that... Isn't that girl dead? Yes, we are okay. Autopilot mode is on. I still can't believe I predicted that. Let me go to the captain. And I wanna turn off autopilot, to be honest, and crash the plane. There's one last task I have. Someone needs to keep the plane on. Oh my god! No way! I freaking predicted that. Whoa! I predicted that someone has to be a pilot. Nah, damn. Let me be one. Let me be it. Nah, frick you, man. I wanna be the co-pilot. Bruh. Crash the plane. Crash the plane. I'm pretty sure you can crash the plane because you're flying it. No way he gonna crash it too. No way that I predicted he can crash the plane. No freaking way. You humans are funny. I ain't look nothing like a human. And if anything, I'm the disappointment. So, shut up. Last chance, Nunzi 01 Mat 1 to crash this plane and we rule the underworld for eternity. Yes. Crash it, crash it, crash it, crash it. Yeah! Wait, is it? Foolish humans. All this time you trusted Nunzium. Wait, did he actually crash? Yes! 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 I'm gonna die. Yes! Yes! You survived that plane? Nah, I didn't survive nothing. I didn't survive nothing. So let's go to Airplane Story 2. So yeah, never mind. You've been invited to... No, wait. No spoilers. Because, yeah, I ain't gonna do it on video. It will be way too damn long for people to watch. I know damn well some of those kids from TikTok ain't even have an attention span to watch 18 minutes long videos. So they don't even have the attention span to even, like, I don't know, maybe to even watch something that's longer than 10 seconds. So yeah, that we will do 4 parts of this.